Corning has just recently announced Gorilla Glass 1, a new special glass to protect the screens of mid-range devices. The name is a bit strange because, generally speaking, Corning had generally not used the letter I in its nomenclature, but a Gorilla Glass 7 was never introduced. Instead, in the year, they presented Gorilla Glass Victus, followed by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and subsequently later Gorilla Armor as part of the Galaxy S24 Ultra series. So they could have perfectly named it Gorilla Glass 7, but the letter I would indicate that we are talking about a glass aimed at the mid-range market. In fact, it aims to be a kind of successor to Gorilla Glass 5, which is the level of resistance that many manufacturers use in mid-range devices. But Gorilla Glass 5 was launched back in 2016, so even though it can indeed offer a very good level of resistance, it seems very old by today's standards. In fact, actually, many Chinese manufacturers were opting to have their own thicker and more durable glass for greater drop resistance, Honor and Realme specifically. And I mention these two manufacturers because they are the ones I remember placing extremely hard and resilient glass in their mid-range devices. According to Corning, this glass can make your phone survive drops from up to 1 meter on surfaces such as asphalt, and also doubles the scratch resistance compared to other common glasses and materials on the market. So Xiaomi is expected to be the first to unveil a new phone tomorrow to debut this glass or something like that. Although Motorola recently announced that its entire catalog will feature Gorilla Glass, which is very good, it has different versions. The entry-level devices have Gorilla Glass 3, the high-end devices have Gorilla Glass Victus, and so on.